Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling everything so you can move fast. TPU case, Magsafe ring or 4N52 magnets, superglue, 1mm drill bit, and sandpaper. First, place your phone on the case and mark the optical center and camera openings so the pocket won't interfere. Once done, drill small pilot holes and use a hobby knife to cut a shallow pocket about 1.5 to 2 millimeters deep. Make sure to sand the pocket edges smooth so the ring or magnets will sit flush. You now focus on embedding and securing. Dry fit the Magsafe ring or each magnet in the pocket, checking polarity so the orientation attracts the phone coil. Once aligned, apply small dots of thin superglue into each seat and press the ring or magnets until they sit flush. Make sure to wipe any glue squeeze out immediately. Excess can prevent wireless charging. After the glue sets, brush a thin epoxy layer about 0.5 to 1 millimeter over the assembly to reinforce and level the surface, then allow full cure. You finish the case by trimming cured epoxy with a hobby knife and sanding to match the case texture. Feather edges so the cover feels seamless. Next, test magnetic alignment and wireless charging with a Magsafe charger and a phone. Make sure the phone snaps into place and charges reliably. If charging fails or alignment is weak, stop, reopen the pocket, check magnet polarity, and reseat magnets using thin shims or small washers to shift spacing. This single troubleshooting tip fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.